It's Friday, September 8th,
That girl was pregnant when she got
17.
killed. Oh.
We're in Brookings, Oregon. It's Pacific Ocean off to our left here. And there's a homeless guy just walking away way down there. We got a video of him.
Where'd he go?
He just walked away, picked up and walked.
Yeah,
He left his shoes even.
Yeah.
These guys came to put that fire out. So I guess you can't, as I said in an early video, just light up the driftwood. You bought the wheel chocks under the back wheels. There's 3 of them to go to extinguish that fire.
You can't even camp out on the beach anymore.
And his second truck pulled up down there.
They're surveying the fire.
And so far we got 5 guys now. The dude walked away, left his shoes.
That's pretty stupid to do.
That was pretty stupid
leave
for
him.
him.
Don't leave him.
And we don't know if they're putting that fire out or not. But they're contemplating it. What have we got contemplating here? Yeah, contemplating.
Is it illegal or isn't it illegal?
Wait, the guy's back. The guy without the shoes. See if I get his no shoes in there. There he is. He came back. And he's putting the fire, look at, he's putting the fire out.
Aw. They're leaving.
And they're leaving there. That was a problem solved easily. That noise in the background.
I mean, it would
is
not
the ocean.
kill them to let the homeless guy stay warm, right?
No. It wasn't going to burn anything. It's on the sand, and in just a few hours, the tide's going to be up on top of that wood. The tide comes way in. Patsy's talking to seagulls with purple feet.
What's going on?
We got a second guy down here now. Telling the first guy he should have never did begin with. He's going for his shoes. Now we gotta write you up and give you a ticket. Oh, and they have the emergency gear coming out of the truck. So.
Oh, I thought that was a big fire truck coming. I would say, oh my God. And they make a bunch out of it.
And he's getting the fire extinguisher out. He's having a hell of a time. If this really was an emergency, that person would have died. There they go. So the sound wasn't good enough. It didn't put the fire out.
I think the one's writing them up a ticket.
You're getting them the ticket. Some excitement here in Brookings, Oregon. We're on Lower Harbor Road. I didn't mention before, Driftwood RV Park, Site 17. And we're here till September 13th. Oh, there we go. We're going to zoom in on this fireman extinguishing that fire. Back at home, we'd have the cops pull up, keeping our hands warm.
Can't see the road.
Now, there is a big wildfire not very far from here, and we can smell the smoke, see the smoke. It's been going on for about 3 weeks now. They had a level 3 evacuation of Brookings just last week. But I don't think this guy here's fire would have anything to do with that. And that's the ocean world. I'm going to see how long it takes for this guy to get the smoke out. Or I might run out of battery life on my camera. missed it.
Oh, the wave leveled off so nice. I just leveled off. It didn't make a big splash or a noise.
They're letting the guy go for his shoes. Not yet. He didn't get his shoes yet. I know my arm is sore, so we're going to have to put an end to this, and it'll never be continued anywhere after
There's
this.
big waves that come out that way by the shoreline.
Yeah.
Wow, look at perfect surfing wave. Wow.
We still got this guy putting out that fire.
Look at that wave back there coming in. Oh. That's what those
Well, look at the guy putting the fire out, or look at the waves. Although we've met homeless people and people walking by, there he goes for his shoes. He's got one shoe. Look at, he took one shoe. And they still haven't put the fire out, even though they use sand and chemical water, I guess. Chemical in the water.
great place to surf out in there. Well, tonight anyway.
Well,
Especially don't hit the rocks over there.
Our guy here with the fire extinguisher, he's given up. I guess they think that that's out far enough. They don't have to worry about it anymore. Oh, well, we know this old saying, where there's smoke, there's fire. But I guess it's okay. All's well here now. We're putting the apparatus away. Taking their jackets off and everything. Glad they dress up for this. And the homeless guy now has both of his shoes, and he looks to be putting them on, and fire is not out. But the fire extinguisher has been put away. The door has been closed. We're retired. We can take pictures of this like this.
I don't think Smokey Bear would be too pleased with that. The way they put out the fire.
Drown it, stir it, drown it again. Okay, here they go. They're all pulling away. I'll keep the video going for a little bit longer.
And then they will blow on and they'll start up again.
So, yeah. I put the wheel chocks away here. Okay, so there's okay, they're pulling out, as you can see. He's pulling out, as you can see down there. There he goes. The red truck's pulling out. There you go. They're pulling out. Everybody's pulling out of here. Okay, hold on. Let's try to get them all pulling out here. And the homeless guy. Yeah, he's walking back. He must have forgot something.
Bag,
huh?
He doesn't have his bag.
Well, he came back for his bag.
No, he took his bag, but he came back. He's not staying.
Okay, and the results of this is fire extinguisher team is where there's smoke, there's fire. The guy came back to pick up, get it going back up again. Hey, wait, hold on. It's a beer case.
Oh, he's wrinkling it up.
Yeah, is he putting on to restart the fire? No. Okay, that's it for this one. All's well that's ended well, and you see what's going on with the residue here.
We're gonna find our way home in this fog?
You know,